Hello everyone, I am Nivedita Jena from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. Welcome to all of you to our channel, Biodiversity and Conservation. Today in this, we are going to discuss about the Bridelia retusa, its habitat, its morphology, its ethnomedicinal uses, and pharmacological potentials. So let's start. Bridelia retusa is a species of tree in the family Phyllanthacea. They have a self-supporting growth form, and they have simple broad leaves and loculicidal capsule fruit, and the individuals can grow to 15 meter. And it is commonly known as asthana, and it has long been used in Indian folk medicine to treat various diseases. And in nomenclature, the kingdom is Plantae, phylum is Trachyophyta, the class is Magnoliopsida, and the order Malpighiales, and the family is Phyllanthacea. The genus is Bridelia, and the species is Bridelia retusa. Bridelia retusa is a small or moderate-sized deciduous tree up to 7 meter in height, armed with long conical thorns when young and having dark brown bark. And the exfoliation is irregular flakes, lanceolate or ovate lanceolate leaves, and the flowers present in long axillary or terminal spikes and greenish yellow fruits. Then coming to its habitat, uh, Bridelia retusa is a tree which is quite common in forests and open land, reported from dry evergreen or deciduous forest with sandy loamy soil, granite or basalt derived sandy soil, and limestone at elevations from 50 to 600 meters, occasionally to 1400 meters. And this is a species found in Bangladesh, Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, southern China, Indochina, and Thailand, etc. Then coming to its morphology, the Brittilia retusa is a species of tree having a self-supporting growth form. They have simple broad leaves, alternate stipules, about 7 millimeter long, um, and the lateral lanceolate and loculicidal capsule fruit. The individuals can grow to 15 meter. The bark is externally blackish brown and internally yellowish brown. The taste is astringent, odorless, and rough to touch, and the flowers are creamy white in terminal panicles to of erect or drooping stripes, and the fruits are smooth on the enclosed perianth. The ripe fruits are wrinkled and greenish purple in color, and basically the flowering and fruiting occur during August to December. The ethnomedicinal uses of Bridilla reducer. The plant is great important, and the native people of southern India use the bark for the treatment of rheumatism. And the leaves are used in the treatment of wound, urinary tract infection, dysentery, and diarrhea. The roots are the remedy for gonorrhea, astringent, and purgative. The fruits and seeds are used to cure earache. The bark is used to make sterility in women, as contraceptives, and treatment of rheumatism, and hypoglycemic and antiviral, and also antidote for snake bite. The paste of Bridilla reduces the leaves and leaves of Cucurigo archaeoids, oil of castor, and coconut applied externally to cure wounds. And several ethnomedicinal surveys revealed that the bark is given orally to women to develop sterility and cure infertility, as contraceptive, useful in battle lumbago, and cure insomnia. And the bark of Bridilla retusa also exhibited antiviral, hypoglycemic, um, rheumatism, and hypotensive properties. The paste of Bridilla retusa leaves and the leaves of curculico or orchioids, and the coconut applied externally to cure wounds. And the leaves also cure urinary tract infection. And the leaves are used as fodder and said to free intestinal worms of cattle. And in traditional system of medicines, as antibacterial, root of plant is purgative, astringent, and remedy for gonorrhea. And 1 or 2 drops of fruit extract poured in ear to cure earache, and ripened fruits are eaten. The plant also used in traditional system of medicine to cure dysentery and diarrhea, etc. Then coming to its pharmacological profile, so the variety of phytochemicals are reported in the bark of plant Vitellia retusa, which are biologically active belongs to different classes like steroids, triterpenoids, tannins, fats, and minerals. The minerals like calcium, copper, iron, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc are reported in this species. And this plant species is pungent, bitter, and useful in Vata, lumbago, and hemiplegia. The bark is good for removal of urinary concretion. The bark is used as liniment with jelly oil in rheumatism, and the stem bark powder is mixed with water given during fever. It is also used in jaundice with combination with other plants, and the ethanol extract of leaves of Brittilia retusa showed chitosan flavonoid, which significantly exhibited antihelmintic, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic activity. And it also exhibited anti-diabetic or antibacterial activities. The acetone and ethanol extract of bark of Brittilia retusa were active against gram-negative strains such as Klebsiella pneumonia, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Proteus vulgaris. And the acetone and ethanol extract shows activity against fungal strain like Candid albicans, and the methanolic and ethanolic extracts of leaves of Brittilia retusa active against E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Streptococcus typhimurium. And the britillarities, the bark extracted in acetone is to water to get tannins-rich fraction of bark. The tannin-rich fraction has strong antioxidant activity by inhibiting deep pH, reducing power, hydroxyl radical, and hydrogen peroxide and nitric oxide scavenging when compared with standard.